Welcome to our tutorial on filling out a 1099 NEC form with TurboTax support. The 1099 NEC form is used to report non-employee compensation, such as freelance work or independent contracting. In this guide, we will walk you through the steps to fill out the form accurately and efficiently. First, gather all necessary information, including your business name, address, and tax identification number, as well as the recipient's name, address, and tax identification number. You will also need to know the amount of money you paid to the non-employee and the type of work they performed. To start filling out the form, enter the payer's information, including your business name, address, and tax identification number, in the top section of the form. Next, enter the recipient's information, including their name, address, and tax identification number. In box 1, enter the amount of non-employee compensation you paid to the recipient. This amount should include all payments made to the recipient during the tax year, excluding any amounts that were subject to withholding. If you provided any federal income tax withholding, enter the amount in box 4. Otherwise, leave this box blank. In box 5, enter the state tax withheld, if any. You will also need to enter the state identification number and the name of the state. Once you have completed the form, review it carefully for accuracy and completeness. Make sure all information is correct and all boxes are filled in as required. Finally, provide a copy of the completed form to the recipient by January 31st of each year, and file a copy with the IRS by February 28th. You can use TurboTax to e-file the form and ensure accurate and timely submission. By following these steps and using TurboTax support, you can easily and accurately fill out a 1099 NEC form and meet your tax reporting obligations. Remember to keep accurate records and seek professional help if you have any questions or concerns.